Okay, so here is the mock-up of that minarelli I'm currently building. Got some stuff going on and whatnot, but anyways, the whole reason I'm showing you this is the frame difference. I actually changed the frame to a different one than I was gonna use, which is this one. But I figured I'd show you the difference between the felt faker and the motorized bicycle frame. So there is some differences, quite a bit. So anyways, this is the felt faker. It's modeled after one of their bikes. A guy redid the frame on it, made the first gas bike frame and so forth. You know, Chinese copied it. Bam, here you go. So if you notice, it's got like this section, and on this one it has more of a bicycle type. The back on these is much thicker tubing, so difference there. Both of them have disc brake mounts. Now they did the forks, like welded them like that. On this one, same deal, just a little bigger, you know, tubing. But anyways, a lot of people just want to see what the difference is. A little bit difference in that. The tank is shaped differently on these. This has more of the felt bicycle frame look to it. The one on here is just goes right down into it. The headsets are the same. The seat post size is the same on both of these. So that and this identical. But yeah, I mean, that's about it. This one here has bigger tubing overall. Oh, the other thing to note too is these never have the pull brake up here. This one has that option and that. So you can use side pulls or the... So, anyways, there's that. Let's see. But yeah, the motorized bicycle frames usually come with a 2-inch crank. And these come with the one for like a mountain bike for the split piece. So, anyways, that's an up close of what a frame looks like. And this tube is the same on both. This seat post tube is identical to the size of this seat post tube too. So just so you guys could get a comparison of the two. But anyways, I was going to use this one. I'm not going to use that for another project. I went with the felt faker frame just because it has thicker tubing. Bigger tubing and thicker tubing. So, very happy with that. Just had to change the front mount setup a little bit on that one. Not a big deal. So, anyways. Alright. Alexa, what does subservient mean?
The adjective subservient is
Alexa,
usually
shut up.